Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Trust Wallet account. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and choose Create a New Wallet. Carefully read and accept the terms of service to proceed. This initial step is crucial for setting up your secure digital asset storage. Ensure you are using the authentic application to protect your funds. Next, you will receive a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet, so its security is paramount. Write down each word precisely in the correct order on a physical piece of paper. Do not store it digitally or share it with anyone ever. Losing this phrase means losing access to your funds, and sharing it compromises your entire wallet. After writing down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to confirm it by entering the words in the exact sequence. This step ensures you have recorded it correctly. Once confirmed, you can set up a passcode or enable biometric authentication, like fingerprint or Face ID, for convenient and secure access. Your Trust Wallet is now successfully created and ready for you to send and receive various cryptocurrencies. With your wallet set up, take some time to explore the interface. You can view your current balances, transaction history, and discover new assets. Sending and receiving cryptocurrencies is straightforward. Just ensure you have the correct address. Remember to always double-check transaction details before confirming. Also, staying hydrated is important, so check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy managing your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.